Maybe I was supernatural, but you understand, Please. Day 2 here in Jakarta. How are you all feeling today? Who was here yesterday? Who was here yesterday? Oh, nice. Are you guys feeling okay? Everyone still? It's okay? No worry, Rosie. We had so much fun yesterday.
Yeah.
So we're like, but we're gonna make sure to charge back up to have another fun night. Well, on that note, should we move on to our next song?
Let's go.
This is Callie. Please sing along with me.